Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use Facebook Marketplace. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We go to Facebook, after which we go to the Marketplace feed. Here we see various products that you can buy. Let's open, for example, this iPhone. You see that you can send any message to this seller. View, subscribe to it, save this ad, put a notification on this ad, forward to any person in a messenger, in a group, feed, or via airdrop, messages, Instagram, and so on. You can also send offer and buy. You can view details, description, view photos, and so on. You can also go to the categories, select what you want to buy, for a child, a car, and so on. You can also choose your location on the map, any location. You can also sell something. Click on Sell. Here are all your sales statistics. If you want to sell something, click on Create New Listing. Choose what you will sell. Let's say items. Here you add a photo. Let's have it be a photo of a computer. Done. Here you write the name, price, choose the category, choose the condition, write any description, location, any details. You can hide it from your friends if you don't want your friends to see this ad. You can choose List in more places, that is, select other places and additional listing options. That is, see how it all looks ready. Then click Next and it's published, after which your ad is displayed. People will watch, and those who are interested in your purchase will buy your product. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.